In the context of promoting industrial cooperation and exchange between China and the Czech Republic, a delegation composed of Czech clients has been invited to visit HGTECH's laser equipment in the exhibition hall in China. This visit aims to further deepen the cooperation between both sides and provide the Czech clients with an opportunity to understand advanced laser technology in China. As a leading Chinese manufacturer and supplier of laser equipment, HGTECH has organized an exciting visit for the Czech delegation. The Czech clients were warmly welcomed by HGTECH senior management, and in a friendly atmosphere, both sides engaged in in-depth discussions on laser technology, application areas, and cooperation opportunities. The delegation later visited the Precision Manufacturing Factory and Intelligent Manufacturing Factory, gaining a deeper understanding of the various laser processing technologies applied in different fields.
HGTECH is the strong partner for Orca machines. We are satisfied with cooperation.
The Czech clients expressed their high appreciation for the performance and quality of the heavy-duty laser cutting machine, which they had previously ordered, and expressed their willingness to further collaborate with HGTECH.
Cooperation with HGTECH is fantastic and we are very satisfied. For us, we want to push the products like cutting machine for the metal sheet. So it means the tube lasers and 2D lasers with also bevel heads. It's our focus and our future because yes, this is those big machines and very interesting products in our market.